If you are preparing for IGNOU MEG 5 TEE June 2026 and feeling confused about how to approach literary criticism and theory, this video will give you a clear direction. I have analyzed the previous 10 years of question papers from 2015 to 25, and what I am sharing here is a strategy based on actual patterns and not guesswork. But before we begin, let me be very honest. This is a prediction based on trends, not a guaranteed paper or a magical recommendation. So please don't skip your syllabus completely, but use this to prioritize and study smartly. Let's start with the most important area, classical criticism. Plato and Aristotle are absolutely essential for IGNOU MEG 5 exam preparation. Plato single-handedly appeared almost 70% of the time. So you must prepare his theory of poetry, his criticism of poets and dramatists, and the concept of mimesis. For Aristotle, focus on tragedy, catharsis, and the difference between Plato and Aristotle's theory of mimesis. These are very common questions. Next is romantic criticism. Wordsworth and Coleridge are consistently asked, so make sure you understand Wordsworth's idea of poetry as a spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings, and Coleridge's concepts of imagination and fancy. Marxist criticism is another high priority area. Questions on ideology, base and superstructure, and the purpose of literature are frequently asked. If your concepts are clear, this section can be very scoring. Now, before moving on to the next important topics, here's something very important I would like to tell. Most students understand the concepts, but they struggle with answer writing, and that's where the marks are lost. And sometimes the questions are holistic, answering which requires a subjective understanding of the whole paper. I am thinking of making a detailed video on how to score 75% and above with the right answer writing strategy. Would it be helpful? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so next is feminist theory, which is equally important. Thinkers like Elaine Showalter, Virginia Woolf, and Mary Wollstonecraft come up regularly. Focus on their key arguments and the different waves of feminism. Apart from these, prepare Indian aesthetics for short notes. You can also prepare new criticism, Orientalism, and Foucault, but with slightly lower priority. Topics like psychoanalysis, structuralism, and deconstruction can be done selectively, especially if you are short on time. Finally, if you want the 75 most important IGNOU MEG 5 literary criticism and theory exam-oriented notes, WhatsApp to 9874431783. Join my online and offline classes for complete IGNOU MEG guidance. Subscribe to the channel and grow like a pro with Ipshita ma'am.